Hey everyone, I'm Omid. Why was Premiere Pro so slow? Because it was trying to edit the whole internet. Um, anyway, let's speed things up. If your timeline feels laggy, don't blame your computer just yet. There are a few things you should try first. Start by changing your playback resolution. If it's set to full, switch it to half or even quarter. You probably won't notice much difference while editing, but Premiere definitely will. Still lagging? Clear your media cache. Old cache files can slow things down more than you think. Editing 4K footage? Try using proxy files. Your computer edit lightweight copies, then exports the original quality later. And finally, close all those Chrome tabs. Yes, I'm talking to you. Close all those Chrome tabs. Boom, much smoother and easy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.